Taking a screenshot on your new MacBook Neo is super simple, and there are 4 easy ways to do it depending on what you need. First, the best way to explore all options is by pressing Shift plus Command plus 5. This opens the Screenshot toolbar, and from the left, where you can choose to capture the full screen, a specific window, or just a selected portion. In the right, if you see another 3 options, avoid that for recording. Now, for a quick everyday shortcut, press Shift plus Command plus 4. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Just click and drag to select the part of the screen you want. This is the most commonly used method. If you want to capture a specific window, press Shift plus Command plus 4, then hit the spacebar. Your cursor will change, and you can click on any window to capture it instantly. And for a full screen screenshot, just press Shift plus Command plus 3. After you take a screenshot, it will automatically save to your desktop. From there, you can right-click on it to rename, share, or edit however you like. That's it. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching till the end.